Guys, I wanted to show you this ankle brace that I just purchased. I play tennis and I actually just hurt my ankle. I kind of rolled it. So I just feel like I need that extra support. And I went ahead and grabbed this one. Very happy with the product itself. It's been making a really big difference. It has this like nice net in here so it adjusts around my ankle. Really great without like putting too much pressure or making it too tight. I can wear my sneakers with it. And then in the back, it has this like great support, like a band, something really sturdy in here to give the support on my ankle that I need. Very easy to put on. And here, I'm going to put it on and then show you guys. This is what it looks like on my ankle. You can see it gives like the right support right here. It's very breathable. And then it has these like strong bone parts right here to really support my ankle. Easy to put on. It's adjustable. So my husband could wear it. I could wear it. I've been using it just like around the house as well as when I'm playing sports now. Definitely give this one a try.